Hi everyone, this is my homework. Then you fat man. The man is very fat. He weighs 500 pounds when he works. He always gets tired. The very fat man wants to lose weight. In fact, his doctor tells him, you must lose weight or you will die. The fat man is scared. He doesn't want to die, so he starts a diet. For 1 month, he eats only grass. Of course, the grass tastes terrible, but the man really wants to lose weight. Unfortunately, after 1 month, he is still very fat. He doesn't lose any weight, not 1 pound. The fat man is frustrated. He decided to exercise. Every day he works 12 miles. Every day he is very tired. In fact, he is exhausted. But after 1 month, the man is still very fat. Oh no! He is extremely frustrated. So decided to give up. He goes to a restaurant. He wants to eat everything because he is so frustrated. At the restaurant, he meets a beautiful woman. She likes him and he likes her. They begin to date. Every day, the woman cooks healthy foods for the fast man. His new girlfriend makes a difference in his life. The man loses weight after 6 months. He weighs only 170 pounds. He is thin he is and he has a woman and he has a wonderful girlfriend. The the man is thin. The man and his girlfriend